Welcome back. It's Max here at John Cleese. We've got Connor. We've also got Mark, the longest standing colleague here at John Cleese. And he works a lot.
Hang on a minute, I thought I was a lot. In fact, I've been here 20 years without leaving. This man's left once, maybe twice.
He's been here 30 years basically.
So I'm the longest standing. I had to leave working with him.
And today we are showing you the Seat Alhambra 2017, and we've installed a Kenwood DMX 8021 head unit. We've got a lovely Seat splash logo which comes up on the display, finished by us, and we'll custom make that to whatever manufacturer of car you have, or maybe if you want something a little bit more personalised to you or your business, we can make a custom splash logo. So this car has steering wheel controls which we kept working. There is also climate information which comes up on the display. So when you adjust your climate controls, this will automatically tell you on the stereo display your heat, seating and all your HVAC information. There's a DAB antenna over on the left hand side to allow this car to pick up DAB, and you've got a small microphone up in the top to allow us to pick up voice for phone calls, etc. This head unit's got DAB built into it, which is in your digital radio, and you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto all working wirelessly. Going on to Apple CarPlay, we're connected to Mark's phone at the moment. This is your CarPlay home screen. You can swipe right and left, and you've got your phone for all your phone calls, recents, contacts, keypad, all your usual Apple information is in there. You've got music apps like Tidal, Amazon Music, Apple Music and Spotify. Our preferred choice is Tidal here. It's one of the best ones out there for sound quality. We recommend you can make a playlist up, have all your playlist and stick on whatever you want to listen to. Bit of Led Zeppelin here. Other apps, you've got navigation. So navigation apps, you've got Apple Maps, you've got Waze, you've got TomTom Go. Apple Maps is very clever. It normally knows your next destination. Looks like Mark's heading to Waitrose after work. And this type of navigation is real nice and easy to use. You're not just stuck with postcodes and door numbers, which you are on most factory navigation. You could type in the name of a restaurant. Trying to look at the screen and the camera at the same time. You can use your voice to say where you want to go, or you can say the name of a restaurant, street, location, hotel name. Real easy. It's just like searching them on Google, this type of navigation. My preferred shop might be at Tesco's. Let's go there instead. And it will read out when to turn left and right, and simply hit go, and you can have your navigation, readouts and music and all cutting in. Enough of that, thank you. That's a very brief look around the head unit. Little look at the DAB screen, presets down the side here, and you got your channels will save into here. This is your service list, bringing up all the available radio stations. As you can see, there's quite a selection of us. Customer might want to listen to a bit of LBC on the way home now. He can get that on good quality through DAB. But yeah, it's about everything from us at John Cleese Car Audio. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Hit us in the description or get in contact with us to get an upgrade for your car. Max,
Connor, Mark.
all signing off. See you later.